Okay, so today is the big day. We are trading in the RV because we got sold a lemon and we're getting some lemonade back from Camping World. Bye-bye, little RV. Look at that tape back here. Look at this tape. I have tape on my door. So, bye-bye, little RV. Last year, Camping World sold me a lemon, a 2016 Winnebago ERA 170C RV. 6 months later, I decided to make lemonade. I somehow finagled a deal with Camping World to do a collateral swap for another unit. And picked up a 2018 Winnebago ERA 170M. Okay, so we're about to see the new RV, and this is before we're talking to anybody, so we'll see what my reaction is after that. But about to see the new RV, we're gonna see if it's the right one. We've never seen it, don't have pictures or anything.
This is Josh.
Hey, what's going on? Hey, how you guys doing?
He's gonna go through everything with you guys.
Okay, awesome.
And then if you guys have any questions, I'll see you guys when you're done.
Cool,
Okay?
awesome. Thank you so much.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. This is Brandy.
Hey, how are you?
Good.
Good. Oh my god.
Yeah, it's been about 6 months of bad experience.
6 months bad experience.
I figured I'll show you around while we're in here.
You like that?
But the happiness was short-lived. This is my RV life. This is the second time that I've had this repaired. I'm gonna show you exactly what happened. Like, my RV just burnt down almost again. This is the second time my RV's almost burnt down. I just had this transfer switch replaced and the same exact thing happened. And there's no storms, there's nothing going on. Like, I literally have my air conditioner on and nothing's working. So let me show you what happened. One trip and I already had issues.
People on here, at least a few hundred pounds every time.
Scott's weight out this way.
Correct.
Going down the road.
Right.
So you said when we were turning, it clicked. And what's happening?
It's not allowing propane flow. It's locking up.
Is propane supposed to flow out of there?
Yeah.
This is really how I get to live in my RV and why I never get to travel in it. Do you see all these towels? Yeah. You can see all the water that's down there on the bottom. I don't know where it comes from. It's somewhere up there it's coming from. I also have a water leak somewhere behind my kitchen in the window.
What a joke.
I don't know. Look, when I pick my camper up at Camping World, this is what you get to see. They don't even close it all back. It's just hanging out. The drawers are hanging out. Now I gotta climb over all
Well,
this.
this is all.
The couch cushion.
Didn't even put it back.
Look, this is how I pick stuff up from Camping World. Broken, I swear. I spend more time at Camping World than I do getting to do anything else. I deserve a paycheck here, okay? A paycheck from Camping World and Winnebago. I'm sitting here a weekend and I have water leaking. This is how Camping World likes to leave you, with water all in your floor from the shower. It's coming out. never buy a camper from Camping World. Ever, ever, ever. This is how they treat you. When they should have figured this out when we got there. You know, it's all up under the bed. I mean, seriously. You know, not do your job. Let's just look at the blinds. Come on. Let's just look at how janky the blinds are. So they don't even fit. You see that? They don't even fit. They just hang. Look, I have to shove them up in there. We have to prop them all up. So they don't even fit. It gets old. It gets real old. I'm dropping my RV off today. This is like one of those frustrating things that when you're a business owner, you think everything is gonna go great, and then you think, you know what, I really have to go get that thing fixed. So I have to go get the shower fixed because it's leaking water, and it's one of those things where you just cannot use this